Narendra Modi, the man who has reshaped the landscape of India over the past decade, leading the BJP-led NDA government with a vision for progress and prosperity. From 2014 to 2024, Modi's leadership has brought about a remarkable transformation in various sectors, propelling India towards a brighter future. Under the stewardship of Modi, India has witnessed unprecedented growth in infrastructure, connectivity, defense, and the health sector. The government's swift response to the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic has been commendable, ensuring that India remains the fastest-growing economy in the world. Not only has Modi focused on development, but he has also prioritized national security, bolstering the country's defenses against threats from neighboring nations like China and Pakistan. By investing in the army and defense sector, the government has demonstrated a commitment to safeguarding the nation's interests. Unlike other political parties that resort to populism by offering freebies, the BJP government believes in sustainable development through investment in capital expenditure, CAPEX. This approach ensures that taxpayer money is utilized efficiently to build essential infrastructure such as roads, colleges, and hospitals, which will serve as assets for generations to come. While some parties promise free bus rides, electricity, and water, the BJP government focuses on long-term benefits through CAPEX and infrastructure development. By investing in the country's future, we are paving the way for a more prosperous and resilient India. Supporting the BJP-led NDA government in the upcoming general elections for Lok Sabha in 2024 means endorsing a vision of progress, security, and sustainable development. Let us stand together in building a stronger and more prosperous India under the leadership of Narendra Modi. If you found this information insightful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, National Pulse, for more updates on the ongoing political landscape in India. Together, let's shape a brighter future for our nation. Thank you for watching.